One of the primary concerns about owning a spa is water care. What if you could spend more time relaxing in your spa and almost no time maintaining it? Introducing the Freshwater Salt System. Its industry-first breakthrough design uses salt to create chlorine, gently releasing it into the water, making it clean, fresh, and ready to use, without any harsh chemical feel or odor, giving your body and mind the tender care they deserve. Set aside your worries about wasted water, frequent drains, and refills. Just change the disposable cartridge every 4 months. With only 3 cartridge changes, the water stays fresh for a full year. The need to conserve our blue planet's valuable resource inspired this unique system. Easy to maintain and easy on nature, the Freshwater Salt System, bringing more joy to the hot tub experience.